Hello, this is the old lantern. I just turned it apart, and this is the outcome of the one I'm already turned apart. I don't know if I can still restore the star, how they made it. I bought this one when I see the kids selling it. I said, this is nice DIY. So I can't, I don't know, it's when I look at it, it's like hard. So let's see what happened. Ciao for now. So this is what I did. I Scotch tape it. Oh no, this is masking tape, so I masking tape it. So this one, I'm not really sure if I can make it because it's a lot of this is from the torn apart. These two supposed to be like they make it two, so it's two and then two over here. So I don't know if I can actually do it, you know what I mean? So maybe if I cannot make like this, I will do a different kind of star. So let's see. Hello. So this is the one I restored. I cannot cut like this one, zigzag one, because there's a special scissor for it and I don't have it. So this is the one. So just fold this one. So let's see. This is the model. So this is from here, as you can see, and then I turn it around, so it's here. So I make a lot of like this, and then then I stapler when it's 2 by 2. I stapler it by 2. So I have to make 5 of this. I mean 10 of this, because it's when it's partner it's only 5. So after this, when it's partner, I fold it like this, and then that's how I do it. See? Same now. Now if it's there like that, you have to staple it here, just like this one here. You have to staple like that. So, and if you spread this one, it's like a star already. See, it's like a star, just as the same as this. Okay, I'm gonna model it. Okay, see, that's how it comes out. And the finished product of my lantern. How you called it? Renewing it from old to new. Okay, so I know this is not the best lantern, but this is my DIY budget. So share this one, and hope you subscribe for those who is new in this channel. Comment if you like. Ciao for now.